Go.
Hey, Sean family. So we back with another video, and this is gonna be we're gonna see if this egg gonna cook outside.
Cause it's 105 or 6
100 and some
degrees.
degrees. So I'm gonna crack it right here. Let's see. Do I just crack it and then
Crack it like you cooking it in the kitchen. It's just going everywhere. Alright, y'all. We're gonna see. We're just sitting there. We're gonna see if it's cooked. Okay, y'all. We're gonna give it about a few minutes, see if it's cooked. It's just going everywhere.
Bruh.
We probably should have cracked it right there.
I know.
But it's still good though. We're gonna see.
It would have slid down too.
Yeah. It's still getting white though. We're gonna see if it's cooked, y'all. We're gonna give it about a few minutes to sit there. Let it heat up.
This feels so disgusting.
Uh-huh.
Put this in the trash.
Give it a few minutes, see if the egg cook, y'all. It got bubbles in it. So yeah, we're gonna give it a couple more minutes.
so
to sit
dead.
there. You got a little bubble right there, so
It's cooking.
we're gonna set a timer for like 10 minutes.
Okay.
And we just gonna watch it, y'all. We're gonna see if it cook. Cause it's so hot out here, so we're gonna see.
100 degrees. Timer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, right?
Yeah. Alright, y'all. So
It started.
yeah, what I'm gonna do is let it sit for a little while, and then I'm gonna come back and record. So love y'all. I'll be right back.